with my friend Catalina.
Hello.
She doesn't have a YouTube channel, but she has a musical account. It's CatCam55. So
Yeah, definitely go follow me, please.
I made a new series thing called, what's it called again? Crazy Corners.
Yeah.
I'll be doing it with like all my friends when they come over, and my brother's in the background. I don't know why.
It's okay.
We're doing another one of these videos with the chairs.
Yeah.
I did it with Ava. It wasn't the Crazy Corners thing because I just started it.
Oh God!
Let's get started.
Just so you know, I have Five Nights at Freddy's socks. They're Bonnie.
Let me see. I want to see.
Five Nights at Freddy's.
I want to see.
You ready, Kayla? Go ahead.
Set.
Go. Number 20. You know, do you like French fries?
Yes, I love
Do
French.
you like mashed potatoes?
Yes.
Cool.
I hate sweet potatoes.
I don't like sweet potatoes.
Ow, I just banged my arm on the pole. I'm gonna
Put
probably...
that in instant replay.
I'll try to see if you can even see that. I got really
Wait, I'm gonna try something. Ready? Okay. Big stuff about to happen. Nope, that's the one.
I'll do it.
About to happen.
About to
Help, I'm stuck. Hi-ya. You ready, Kara?
Ow!
This hurts, seriously. Interaction. Okay, whatever.
I'm a cat.
I'm help. Oh look, I can go on a bicycle.
I'm gonna do that.
Don't you dare kick me.
I didn't mean to actually.